Samsung Galaxy S22 series pre-booking offers include discounts on Galaxy Watch 4, Galaxy Buds 2 TWS, more. Samsung Galaxy S22 series pre-orders in India will begin on the 23rd of February. Highlights: Samsung Galaxy S22 series will go on sale in India on the 11th of March. The Galaxy S22 series is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC in India. Customers can avail of the pre-booking offers until the 10th of March. Samsung Galaxy S22 series pre-orders will begin in India next week, and the company has revealed new offers and deals for customers who are pre-booking the company's recently launched Galaxy S22 series smartphones. The South Korean smartphone manufacturer is offering discounts on its Galaxy Buds 2 True Wireless Stereo (TWS) earbuds and Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch. Samsung launched the Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra at its Galaxy Unpacked event on the 9th of February alongside the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 series. According to Samsung, pre-orders for the Galaxy S22 series smartphones in India will begin on the 23rd of February, and customers who pre-book the Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone will be able to purchase the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 smartwatch worth 26,999 rupees for 2,999 rupees. Meanwhile, Samsung is also offering customers who pre-order the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus models the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 TWS earbuds worth 11,999 rupees for 999 rupees, according to the company. Meanwhile, Galaxy S and Galaxy Note series customers will also get an upgrade bonus of 8,000 rupees when pre-booking the latest Galaxy S22 series, while other smartphone owners will get an upgrade bonus of 5,000 rupees. Samsung has revealed that customers can also purchase the smartphones via Samsung Finance Plus to avail of a cashback offer worth 5,000 rupees. Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, Galaxy S22 Ultra price in India. Availability: Samsung Galaxy S22 price in India is set at 72,999 rupees for the base 8GB plus 128GB RAM and storage model, while the 8GB plus 256GB model is priced at 76,999 rupees. The Galaxy S22 Plus price begins at 84,999 rupees for the base 8GB plus 128GB model, while the 8GB plus 256GB model is priced at 88,999 rupees. Meanwhile, the high-end Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is priced at 1,09,999 rupees for the 12GB plus 256GB RAM and storage model, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 1,18,999. The 8GB plus 128GB and 12GB plus 1TB storage models have not yet been launched by the company in India. Samsung Galaxy S22 series will be available for pre-order at the company's online store between the 23rd of February and the 10th of March at retail outlets, Samsung exclusive stores, the company's online store, and on Amazon. The Galaxy S22 series will go on sale from the 11th of March according to Samsung. Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, Galaxy S22 Ultra specifications unveiled on the 9th of February. Samsung Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra all run on Android 12 with the company's latest One UI 4.1 skin on top. The Galaxy S22 is equipped with a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display that supports a variable refresh rate of 48/120Hz and Gorilla Glass Victus protection, while the Galaxy S22 Plus is equipped with a larger 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Both smartphones are powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC under the hood, paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of inbuilt storage. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus smartphones sport a triple rear camera setup that houses a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 aperture wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. The smartphones also come with a 10-megapixel selfie camera with an f2.2 aperture lens. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus offers Wi-Fi 6E and ultra-wideband (UWB) support, unlike the vanilla Galaxy S22 model. While the Galaxy S22 runs on a 3700 mAh battery with 25W charging, the Galaxy S22 Plus is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery with faster 45W charging. Both phones offer 15W wired charging and wireless power share support. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a dynamic refresh rate of 120Hz. The smartphone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of storage. The smartphone is equipped with a quad-rear camera setup with a 108-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture lens, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and two 10-megapixel telephoto shooters with 3x and 10x optical zoom support, respectively. The handset comes with a 40-megapixel selfie camera sensor with an f2.2 aperture lens. All three Galaxy S22 series smartphones are equipped with in-display fingerprint sensors, while the high-end Galaxy S22 Ultra also comes with an S Pen built into the handset, just like the company's older Galaxy Note smartphones.